Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to duplicate an image on the OneDrive portal via Office 365 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365 as well as an image. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go on to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. And to open up Google Chrome. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, now let's go to office.com. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Applications, More Applications, and then go to OneDrive. Click on this, wait for that to load. Within admin, let's go to My Files. And then let's navigate to a folder called 2024 that has been created in the previous tutorials. Click on this. We should then see some content that includes an image, which we will then click on. And then on the top, we have copy to. This will then allow us to copy that image to another location. So let's now create a new folder. Let's just call that images 2024, create. And we are now in that folder, which is currently empty. If I were to, let's just say, click on copy here, the image itself will now be duplicated in this folder. Copy here. Copied one image to images 2024. So let's now go back to home, go to My Files, and there we have it, images 2024. And therefore the image has been duplicated on screen. We can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.